Welcome back. This is Crypto Quest. On this episode, I'll be showing you how you can perform arbitrage and make small money for yourself. So, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share to your friends and family. And if you are a subscriber, make sure you like, share, and like this video. So, today's episode, we'll be talking about how to perform arbitrage, how to make a little for yourself on arbitrage. So, let's go to this video. Go through this. So, arbitrage is a practice of taking advantage of price difference in different markets to make a profit. It involves buying an asset in one market where the price is low and simultaneously selling it in another market where the price is high. That is what I have for you today on this platform. So make sure you stay tuned to the video because I'll be showing you how I perform my arbitrage between Exness and Bybit. Simple way to perform. To perform arbitrage, find the price difference. Look for an asset. You have to look for an asset on a platform which is Exness and Bybit. So that's the first step. Buy low, sell high. Buy from cheaper platform, sell on the more expensive one instantly. So we are buying on Bybit and we are selling on Exness. That's how we are doing it. We are buying on Bybit and we are selling on Exness. So factor in cost. Ensure transaction fees spread, transfer delay don't eat up your profit. So we will notice that number 3 as well, execute quickly, price grab close fast, so spread is key. So we have to do that within 5 to 10 minutes or 1 to 5 minutes, very fast. So this is the first, this is the second platform. So we go to Exness, go to deposit. So we want to know how much $100 cost us. So $100 is 151,314. This is a live account. This is a live account and this is a live record on my account. So just see 151,314 for $100 on Exness account. So I'll be doing that as well on Bybit. Just make sure you stay tuned to the video. Make sure you are patient to watch the video. It's just 7 minutes video. Don't be in a rush. So I'm not making the payment though. Show you that this is a live account. Like if you're using Exness, you know this is a live and a good account. I'm not faking it here. So this one, I make the video around 1:15. As you can see, that's the time. So this is on Bybit. I want to show you how I want to buy on P2P trading to show you how much $100 will cost you on Bybit as well. So let me input with $200. So you will see the price at the bottom, 150, 444. You can see that is the price as well. So after you buy, this is my home Bybit. So you go to your assets. So you'll be seeing $100 USD as your balance. So you click on withdrawal. So it's gonna bring the USDT you buy because I don't have the USDT currently on this account. So it's gonna bring the USDT on the account. So you click on the USDT and you go to your Exness account like this. See, I'm just logging to my Exness account. Then you go on deposit on Exness account. Click on all payment method. So we deposit USDT. We buy USDT on Bybit. So you're going to find USDT. So we have USDT RX, ERC20 and ERC20. We have USDT at the bottom. So the popular one we are going for is maybe you can go for USD coin or ERC20, but any one of your preferred choice. Just click the one you prefer to go with. So I'm going with USD coin because it has low fee, but TRC is now having a high fee. So I'm going for USD20 if I'm the one. So click on the USD coin and click on continue. So you have to copy the address. Your current deposit is 20,000 maybe for me. So you can have more than that, but the minimum you can deposit to your normal Exness account is 20,000 USD. So just copy the address and go to your Bybit, paste the address here, and input the network, which is USD coin. So it seems so you see USD coin here, because I'm not having USD coin, that's why I'm not seeing USD coin. So after it's like USD coin, just click on USD coin, input the amount you want to withdraw, like 100. You know, we bought 100, so withdraw 100, or you can click max, which is 100. Just click on withdraw. That's all. So it will go directly into your Exness account within 1 to 5 minutes. So after you deposit, so you click on cancel. So you see 100 USDT at your balance. So you click on withdrawal and you get. So you click on withdrawal. So you click on online bank. So and you input the amount you want to withdraw, which is 100 USDT. Click on continue. That's how you withdraw into your bank account. You withdraw 151,340 naira. That's all. So you are making a profit of 1,000 plus on $100. So if you deposit more than that, you make more than that. If you deposit $10,000, you're making like 10,000. So that's a good money. If you deposit $10,000, you're making like 100,000 naira. So that's a good profit for you without stress. So if you love this video, so make sure you like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. This video is for informational purpose only and does not contain financial advice. Cryptocurrency investment and any method comes with risk, including potential loss of funds. Always conduct your own research. Conduct your own research and be cautious of scams. I am not responsible for any financial decision you make. Invest wisely.